You know, we left. I was in the bus park there, and I see this man come into the bus park and ask me, where is the bus that going to Spanish Town? But he come under a farmer aggressive way, so I don't answer him. I turn my back and walk away. Then, turning my back and walk away, I spin around back now and look. I see this same man pop off a knife and approach one woman and I say, I better kill you. I better kill you. I will kill you, you know. So, me walk off now and step down to the police station and say, boy, I'm going to lodge a report to the police station. So, on the way, go up to the station and coming back from the station now, I come down here and see the same man in the road. Like when me just go make the report and lie down in there. Come here and say, this man here we cause chaos. Can me go to around 3 different police officers. One of them send me in a one room there, so me just go in there and make the report. So just as how they make the report and me reach down back I say man, me come lie down in the road there. So the report what I did go there and say, they have an unsound man in the park with a long knife and approach people like saying, yeah, then go on the chaos in the park. So instead of me get myself entangled with him, I make sure I turn to the station. So the police them can tell me just come at the station and come make the report. So after me leave and come back down the park, I that me come and say, the same man. Then say attack one man and bust up in here and this and that and red. You see? So me I say, them a man who have unsound mind should not into the bus park legally like that. With them offensive weapon they can cause dangerous chaos. And we have to find a way to keep out those people from out of the bus park where there are public people traveling. People just go up and down to and fro.
You have a previous encounter with him?
Yes. Last week, the same man come into the bus park and say he's going to Spanish Town. When he says he's going to Spanish Town, he going at the bus to sit down and then he come back out of the bus. He walk up and down around the park, come back into the bus. Then me hear him and one driver catch up. That same man. Eh? So, I know like, at the first he do it, he come like he do it over and over and over again. So anything will happen, he couldn't avoid to. Because the police them come, but they couldn't come assist a bit faster. That because me stop a police and they tell me say me must go for the station. So me go for the station. So the only thing I couldn't say. Can't say nothing more.